I came to realize that we artists, we find it so difficult to sell our art. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Skykid Art. So today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can start making money as an artist. I'm supposed to be showing you guys tutorial of this week, but no, I came to realize that we artists, we find it so difficult to sell our art in a particular area. So you don't have a lot of followers on Instagram, you don't have a lot of followers on Facebook. Don't worry, because this platform is not about followers, but it's about showing people your work and they will pay you for it, and also working with them and they will pay you for it. So actually I'm going to share you two platforms that I've made money from. I'm not going to talk more on platforms that I've not made money, but this platform that I'm showing you guys have made money from this platform, and I decided to pick one because you have to pick one from these two and start putting your mind on it and start putting focus on it, because if you pick the both, you can still do it, but you have to pick one. You have to be on one feed on this place. So guys, don't forget to hit that red button, hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, so that anytime I post a video like this, you will be the first to notice. So give this video a like, please guys, give it a like. And let's go back in the screen while I show you this platform, and I will show you that I'm already a top rated on this platform, which is amazing. And let's just leave out, let's just go to the screen and let me show you how you can start doing it and how you can start making money as an artist. Hello guys, welcome back to my screen. First, let me just take you guys to Chrome so that we know what we are doing here and how we can start making money with these two platforms that I'm going to show you guys for this video. So here's my Chrome, and woo! First is Fiverr. So I guess you heard about Fiverr before on other platform, and you don't know how you can start making money with this Fiverr platform. So what Fiverr actually does is that Fiverr is like a marketplace that connects you, the buyer, on your artwork or even on your design or as a freelancer. So first, here is the Fiverr platform. All you just have to do, let me take you to my profile. First, you have to create a gig. So if you want me to show you a video on how to create a gig, leave it in the comment that show me a video on how to create a gig. So this gig, after you created this gig in different areas, maybe your artwork, as a character illustration or a digital painter or a portrait, you know, whatever you are doing as an artist, whatever style of artwork you are doing, just create a gig on it. And if you don't know how to create a gig, you can actually just go back to your buyer and search for that skill you have, maybe character illustration, you know. For example, here is a character, so character illustration or character design. Definitely you will see somebody that is doing the same work you are doing. So all you just have to do is to click that gig, then study, look at this one. This one have 8 order and they are paying $100 for this work, you know. So look at the gig, look at information. You can even copy this information, then use it for your gig. It doesn't matter. Then go to the hashtag. If you scroll down, you will see the hashtag here. Then just copy your hashtag. This is like when you are creating a new, when you are creating a new gig. So after you created a new gig, the way you can actually take your gig from bottom to top, if you are stuck in that area. So this is what you will do. You will just go to Facebook, search for Fiverr ranking or Fiverr group or Fiverr gig promotion. Then go to that Fiverr gig promotion. So once you go to this Fiverr gig promotion, you can just join the group and then start posting your link here and tell one of them to click to your gig, and I will click to your gig. That is, you guys will do it. I don't know, just do it back to back like that. So at this point, Fiverr algorithm will know that your gig is causing traffic, and once they know that your gig is causing traffic, this is what you will do again. You will create a new Fiverr account, or you will meet a friend to order from you, and definitely you have to deliver that job in the next 24 hours. But this is what you will do. All you just have to do is to make sure you deliver that work in 6 hours. So Fiverr will know that this guy is really serious and is ready to make money. So Fiverr will now move you from your bottom page to first page in 2 weeks time. Yeah, I'm not just saying this, but I know it will work because it has worked for me. So guys, that is how you can actually make money as a first sell, as a new seller on Fiverr. So, and the other way you can still make money on Fiverr, you can go to your buyer request. So this buyer request, for example, now you will see like there is job showing on my buyer request. I can easily send offer to this job because you know why? My gig, I've already stated that category, I am doing that skills in that category. That's why you have to create a gig before your jobs can appear on buyer request. If you don't have a gig that people are not searching for, if you don't have a gig, there's no way you can see job in buyer request. So you have to have a gig to be able to see jobs on buyer request. So guys, second topic for today is going to be the platform that I've choose to be, and that platform I've make money from it. And yeah, let me take you guys to the platform. So actually the platform is Upwork. So Upwork has given me a lot of money. I'm going to show you proof. Let me show you to my statistics so that you will see the proof here. So guys, I've actually make close to about $2,000 on Upwork, and not just $2,000. I've made more than this. Just that some of my clients, I take them offline. So for a beginner on Upwork, to be honest with you, working on Upwork is the best thing that I've ever worked on, and I've seen a lot of review. Hourly rate, they make me realize that I need to work more on my skills so that I'll be able to win contract that will take me for a long time, a long time. So right here on my screen now, I'm just showing you guys that the reason why I'm seeing this right now, because I've created my account. So you have to create your account, then set your profile right. So here's my profile. So you have to set your profile right on Upwork, and due to their new policies now, they're changing the policies that before they give you this verified sticker, you have to bid for a job and make your first sale, and that is when you will get your first sticker, a verified account. But remember, you will still be verified. They will know that you are there, and for you to become a top rated, you have to work not less than $1,000 on Upwork, and work with a client and get good feedbacks. I've gotten a lot of feedbacks from previous clients, which helps me a lot and also make me to stand out on other freelancers stays on this platform. Remember, I'm an artist, so I've made money on this platform as an artist. If you ever watch this is an artist work test for Oracle cards illustration. You see, this is about artists. So you can still make money as a cover designer. I've made money as a cover designer still, and that is still outside of artwork, but this is also a way to make money. So guys, I do hope this video helped you guys a lot. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button if you are a beginner to this my channel. So if you want me to go far on this, on how you can start making money on using several platforms, and how you can start setting up your Upwork right, and how you can start doing those things, don't forget to say it on the comment. Please say it on the comment so that we know that you guys are ready to start making money as an artist. So guys, see you guys on my next video, and see you guys next week. Thank you guys.